Any strategy you would utilize in this type of match?
Oh.
Well,
Here comes the man in red.
Than a normal tag match. But one thing you don't want to do is leave your partner alone and get a 2-on-1 advantage. Got out of the way of that
2K6 defenders. I don't think so, Hulk Hogan. I'm coming for you, brother.
Got out of the way of that one.
Yeah. Crisscross.
Oh, wait, nice reversal.
Hulk Hogan don't do that.
You're not seeing stars.
Here,
You're looking at
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, you watch movies?
And he gets out of the way.
Watch movie? Yeah. Yeah, I watch movie.
Today, too fast.
Rarely do watch movies.
Man.
Which kind of movies you do?
Zombies.
Huh?
Love zombie movies.
These competitors the slightest hint of weakness in the other. Well, that's a
Yeah.
strategy you have to
Dawn of the
always
Dead
have
is
back of your
probably
head.
my
You
favorite.
like love story movies?
You gotta jump on it.
Not really.
A powerful kick inflicting some damage. Oh,
Not really.
that hurt me just watching it.
Okay.
If the world was all about that, maybe. But it's more like a metaphor these days.
He's climbing the turnbuckle. Will this pay off? Come on.
Fell in love with my Xbox. We've been married ever since. Call it sad, but I'm a happy couple.
Wait, is he still conscious? Man, that looked bad. Quick thinking to avoid that.
Oh, I'm sad.
I'm
so sad.
Man, that was some missile.
Deal with it.
I can feel the breeze all the way over here.
Alright, let's double team this big athlete.
And I think he's begging him to bring it.
Yeah. What's better than one punch? Two.
He's showing no signs of letting up. Oh man, is he fired up? It's over. That's gotta be it. When he gets going like this, there are a few better. Extra slow getting back to his base
Hey,
here.
see me.
There it is, the attitude adjustment. Oh, the dreaded AA. Somehow, he's kicked it into another gear here tonight.
Uh-oh.
I have a feeling we're going to see several more demonstrations like that before the night's over. Going for an elbow. I mean, that's got to knock him out cold. Simply awesome.
Too hard to get over.
So, BigTaurus, are you in a match?
Yeah, I'm in a match, in a tag team match, yeah. After that, I'm going to be going out for a bit. And when I come back, I'm free agent. We're going to start with this and do some Resident Evil after, the other way around. How long you on for? So I'll be back in like 5 hours. Hate that drag.
My God, his body's been through hell, and his ribs have bore the brunt of the attack. And I hope we can get a... Oh, no!
Yeah, I'm back in 15 minutes.
All right, man.
Oh, out here you have to be able to think on your feet lightning fast. One mistake, one moment of hesitation, and you can find yourself in a world of hurt. Oh, out of nowhere!
Why don't do that?
Incredible counter. And he touches that one. So damaging. Oh, and he missed that one. God, that's gotta hurt. Yeah, you're not doing any damage with swings like that, but keep doing it. The trees may give him a blow. Incoming high-risk maneuver. Watch it. Take a chance
nice.
like that. Do you know how badly he must want to win this? At this point, you think he'd have that move.
Alright, can you do us a favor?
Man, he's still down after that move. I almost wonder if his bell got seriously
You can
wrong
chuck
there.
in this guy to me when you get a chance.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Let's go, quick.
Ah, yeah. See ya.
He's a great competitor. WWE have to offer. We're witnessing a merciless assault. No mercy whatsoever. I'm not sure I can watch this.
You might.
And just like that, this move is leading the charge. Yeah, charge! Very nicely done. Oh, once you get out of the ring, anything can happen.
Done to you.
You've got exposed
Yeah,
steel,
sure.
concrete, the barricades,
Yep.
and all of it can be used to cause massive damage. Not today, too fast.
I threw him to you.
That was spectacular. This match just keeps getting better.
Yeah, I'll take without abuse, you know.
People have been wanting to see these guys go at it for a long time. Oh, man, what a shot. Quick thinking to avoid that.
We'll see if I can get him through the announce table.
Okay.
Oh, my God, right through the table. Whoa,
Nah.